To export or back up your OBS settings, start by opening OBS Studio and going to the File menu in the upper left corner. From the drop-down, select Show Settings folder. This will open the directory where OBS stores your configuration files. This folder represents your current settings, but to properly back them up, go one level up to the roaming directory and then select the OBS Studio folder. This entire folder contains all your profiles, scenes, and configurations, so simply copy the complete OBS Studio folder and save it anywhere you prefer, such as an external drive, cloud storage, or another secure location. When you need to import these settings onto a new installation of OBS or another device, open OBS, navigate to the Settings folder again, go one directory up to roaming, delete the existing OBS Studio folder, and replace it with the backup folder you previously saved. Once you restart OBS Studio, all your previous scenes and settings will load exactly as they were on your original setup.